What is up, YouTube? Today we are here just chilling on a busy Chicago street, actually the street that I grew up on. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and send this video to all of your friends. Hey. What is up, YouTube? Today we are here with my little babies. We are, I guess technically, boondocking. We are chilling at Skokie Lagoons until this evening, being the most efficient as possible with this new travel trailer. But like I said, we're here at Skokie Lagoons and we're gonna make the most out of today. We don't have long. And the sun will set within, I think, about 45 minutes. So we're gonna walk this stretch of area over here. We're gonna go make some casts, see if I can get a bass on either a worm. I have a weightless worm with me. Today is not one of those one frog, one rod scenarios. I do have a weightless worm with me, so we're gonna cast both of those things, see if we can catch a bass. Stay tuned and let's go. Recycling and garbage. Look at that cool little creek. Yeah, we are here at the spot. A spot I found last fall. It is not the typical location on Skokie Lagoons. It's a completely opposite side of Tower Road, but here we are. Let's go catch a fish. I don't know why, but this right corner is calling me. So we're gonna start over here and slowly work our way around. Hopefully we can get a bass. Yep. Yeah, that's for that that bug. We were in this spot last year. Water's very clear over here, outside of these weeds. And how old were you, Jonah?
I was 5.
That's right. There's gotta be a bass hanging out over here, guys. Yeah. It's very clear water over here. Guys, were you aware that we're having nachos tonight?
No.
We're gonna have nachos tonight. We're gonna make pico de gallo. Pico de gallo's the, where did that fish just jump? Pico de gallo is that, basically like onion, tomato, cilantro. Cilantro. Got him. Yeah. That was awesome. That's a nice fish too, guys. Watch out, Delisha.
Can I help pull it out?
Oh. That's a really nice bass, guys.
Dada?
Yeah, boy!
Dada? Surprisingly.
We just saw, well, at least heard a splash. I cast into the area that I thought I heard that splash, and within seconds, this guy came up and hit it. Like I said, we are here, boondocking in a sense, just chilling. But we caught this beautiful, beautiful fish on this beautiful, beautiful frog. This is a Booyah Poppin' Pad Crasher.
The hooks are actually backwards. The
hooks, they do tend to turn around. You got to fix those. Make sure you put them back into the frog the right way before you cast it back out. But you can use any frog, guys. You could use the cheapest frog you find out there. You can even throw a little weightless worm, like an old Senko, throw it on top of the weeds and bring it in like a frog. They will slam it. This is a beautiful fish. Skokie Lagoons, guys, as you know, we put in a lot of hours this year on the Skokie Lagoons. We have made several videos. I went out of my way to ensure that I figure this place out. We haven't really killed it, but we've every time caught a few fish here and there, or at least one solid one. So here we are, a solid 3-pound, a largemouth bass, Skokie Lagoons, without a doubt. I don't have to weigh this, guys. I know.
Hey, Dada. Do they eat clay?
They do not eat clay. They don't eat weeds either, so. Here, hold this right here. Yeah, they don't eat weeds either, so this stuff we're gonna take out. they'll be able to spit that out, but we want to make sure that they don't swallow any of those.
Why?
I mean, I guess salad's not that big of a deal. It is pretty healthy. There we are, guys. Out here with my boys. They're over here riding their bikes, just having the time of their lives. And just catching some fish, guys. We're just doing what we do, you know? Taking it day by day, doing what we do. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to watch this massive, beautiful Skokie Lagoons largemouth bass. A little bit of motivation for everyone, including myself. There'll be a time I'll be looking back, not catching fish. I'll look back to my own videos and get motivated. Let's go in for the release. Yeah! Woo!
I found a valley, man.
There he goes. All right, guys, we got that awesome bass here, that nice 3-pounder here, Skokie Lagoons. It's been in and out rain. I mean, these guys' hairs are not soaking wet for no reason. It's been in and out rain, and one of the first most successful days I've had it with the frog, being that it's raining and I caught one on the top. Typically when it's raining, I don't usually catch a frog fish. The fish seem to go down a little bit. I have to switch to a worm or a jig, and that's how I get them. Today, no issues. It rained. I don't have much time. I have a frog tied on. I always have a frog tied on in the summer, and it's always my first go-to, no matter where I'm at, especially if there's weeds on the water. So we caught that one fish, but we're gonna move along the shoreline here. We're gonna make a perfect circle, go around the whole area here and fish it before we have to get out of here, skedaddle. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can get another fish, and let's go. Get out here and be free. He just walked right in the water. See all those little shimmers by his mouth? He just grabbed him a fish. Nice little shad. Professional hunter. If this bird right here thinks my frog is that real, then obviously, guys, I'm doing it right. Look at him. I just pulled that out of his mouth. Do you want to learn a lesson? Go on, grab it. Let's learn a lesson. Let's learn a lesson, buddy. Come on, bro. You can't tell it's on my line. Look at this, guys. This bird is hungry. He just ate a fish, but he's still coming at my frog.
He is so silly.
And he holds on to it. There he goes. That was awesome, guys. Hopefully he learned his lesson. I didn't hook him or anything, but I definitely played a little tug of war. Woo.
That's tricking that thing.
That's crazy. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us over here with this. He doesn't realize that this is a fake frog. He keeps grabbing it. Look at him. Then we played tug of war. Watch this guy. I don't know if he's new, if he's young in the game or what. But look at that. He's got my frog right now. Isn't that wild? So we're over here just frog fishing, and apparently I make my frogs look so freaking real that I can repeatedly cast to this guy and he'll repeatedly grab it. Look, we got him again. That's insane. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I don't hook them. And please subscribe. Send this video to a friend. We are out here every day of every week of every month, throwing out videos for you guys for free. I have no obligation for anything. I have no sponsor obligations. None of that. None of those traps, guys. This is free. This is beneficial and education for you. This guy's still over there just biting the frog. He has not learned his lesson. I might give him a little bit of a lesson learned soon. I mean, come on, guy. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. You saw that awesome bass we got today on the frog.
Tangle.
Don't cast that. You will get tangled. Stop.
Tangle.
Please do not forget to subscribe. Send this to a friend. Stay tuned. There might be some more action. Walk ahead and cut me off now. Look at him. He's gonna walk ahead and cut me off now. because the frog looks too legit to quit. He can't handle the heat. Look at him. He's like, oh my God, that is so juicy. Oh yeah, dinner is served. And here he's gonna swoop in, grab my frog. Look at him. Look at this guy. So now we're playing tug of war over here. Look at, that's him. That's him. There we go. He's got my frog. I was not anticipating this guy. 1 second, guys. I was not anticipating this guy to come and just kill my frog like that. I thought he was going to be a little bit skeptical. Typically they are. But this guy, this is too real.
He's just,
Are you done?
That thing's just a dum-dum.
Which is crazy because these birds typically are not.
I know. He's just like, that tastes weird. I don't think.
If your frogging ability is good enough to catch a frog and bass, if these birds think your frog is real, oh my God. Are you serious, bro? It's tug of war over here. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us today. Skokie Lagoons, main dam area. You can see the main dam is right there behind me, right over there. And we were just in this nice little location over here. Came right down, right where we're hanging out. Caught one right away, almost. I felt compelled to fish this corner. We walked to that corner and we were able to get one in right away. Then we had a bunch of fun playing with that crane, which basically wasted our time. We only had about 45 minutes out here today. But 45 minutes is not bad to get out here and catch a bass, get the kids some exercise. Wherever we end up boondocking tonight, I cannot wait. We are all very in love with the life we are living. This trailer life is amazing. We love the ability to be able to move our home from one place to another with no obligations. It's amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate that you tuned in this far. Do not be a hermit. Get out there and throw the Kermit, which is the frog. Happy fishing. Please subscribe. Send this to one of your friends that likes fishing. Maybe they don't, but they will start to. Thank you guys very much. Again, please subscribe. Happy fishing. Peace.
Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you. I would have walked off without it. Can you grab it for me? Wait, where? All the way over there? Wow. Okay, I'll go grab it. Yeah, I probably would have left without it today. Thank you for reminding me.
No problem.
All right, guys, there we are. Got the boys back on the bikes, and we're about to take this trail right out back to our destination. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed your summer. Here we are, September, still frogging it out. Let's see how long we can take it. Let's see how long we can go on that frog. Go right over the bridge, Joan. Lisha. Ooh, these bats are going strong right now. Yeah, the bats are going strong right now, guys. That's awesome. Trailer and truck. Let's go. All this rain didn't prevent us from getting a frog and bass today. There we go, home sweet home.